I am baking for an important person who has always given me unconditional love and guidance. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we have a treat for your sweet tooth. We are baking for Mom a raspberry cream cake. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. You will also need these supplies. Place the bowl of a stand mixer in the refrigerator for 1 hour. As the bowl chills, place cold mascarpone cheese into a bowl. Place cold cream cheese into the bowl too. Combine using a wooden spoon. Stir in confectioner's sugar, 1/4 cup at a time. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other dessert recipes. If you enjoy what we are baking, subscribe below and click on notifications to stay current on new videos. Pour cold whipping cream into chilled stand mixer bowl. Also add vanilla extract, almond extract, and salt. Using the whisk attachment, whisk on low speed, followed by increasing to high. For 3 to 4 minutes, or until thick and stiff peaks form. Cover with plastic wrap. Refrigerate until ready to use. Before piping into a bag, add mascarpone mixture to whipped cream mixture. Lightly whisk until combined and keep cold. This is the frosting mixture used to pipe onto the cake. Do you bake any desserts for family or friends? Let us know your dessert gifts by leaving your response in the comments below the video. Moving on to the cake, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray 2 cake pans with nonstick baker spray and line them with parchment paper. In a stand mixer using the whisk attachment, add room temperature butter. Whisk on low speed while slowly adding in sugar. Increase speed and whisk until light and fluffy. Add 1 egg and whisk until combined. Repeat for each egg. Add flour. Whisk on low until combined. If needed, scrape bowl with a spatula. Add salt. Whisk salt into the dough. Place dough into a prepared cake pan and evenly spread the dough. Shake and tap on the countertop. Repeat the process for the second layer of cake. Bake 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Place pans on a wire rack 5 minutes. Run a butter knife between each cake and each cake pan. Invert cakes onto a wire rack to cool. 1 hour. If you are enjoying this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Place a Ziploc bag over a measuring cup. Grab frosting from the refrigerator and place into the bag. Cut off the tip of the bag and pipe a little frosting onto a cake board. Gently spread frosting and set aside. Once cooled, turn cakes over and gently slice a thin layer off of each cake. Discard scraps. I eat them. Mix jam with a fork. Spread jam on top of one cake layer. Place cake layer onto cake board. Pipe frosting onto the cake. Evenly and gently spread frosting on top of jam. Turn the other layer of cake so that the shaved layer sits on top of the frosting. Dust cake with confectioner's sugar and place cake into a cake box. Your loved ones will cherish this sweet dessert. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.